You may not believe, but actually budget is very simple to understand if you know the outline of it. Budget is about the money government receives. How much it is? 48.21 lakh crore, and this is the same amount of money government spends in a year. If you first see from where the money comes, this 48.21 lakh crore maximum is coming from the tax receipts, 25.28 lakh crore. In this tax also, the gross tax revenue is 38.40, but out of this, 12.47 lakh crore given to the state governments. So the net amount is coming to central government, and non-tax receipt of 5.46 lakh crore, which is interest receipt. Government has given loans to maybe some state governments, some other government, and some dividend of 2.89 lakh crore, which is on the government investment, maybe in public sector enterprises, other amount of 2 lakh crore. If you want to go to further details in this tax collection, so you will realize that GST, corporation tax, income tax, the biggest one is income tax, are the major one. Then there are excise duty, customs, others. So this tax and non-tax revenue is the source of income. Whatever is the deficit, that is capital receipt, basically the borrowing by the government of India, because the plan is to spend 48.21 lakh crore rupees. And these two, tax and non-tax collections, the income is 31.3. The remaining 16.9 government has to borrow. And if you see this money is spent, the other side, so this is a receipt and this is the expense side, right hand side. Scheme expenditure is 20 lakh crore, and transfer establishment other expenditure is 27.99 crore. In this, central sector schemes are there in the scheme side. Then centrally sponsored scheme 5 lakh crore. In this, central services, economic services, then there are subsidies related to fertilizer, food, petroleum, then there are social services. So these are the spendings. And transport to state 5.4, establishment expenditure, government department, salary expenses, pension expenses and others. Significant portion goes to the interest payment, the loans which has been taken previously, 11.63 crore. The main point is to understand that budget is about overall receipt of the government of India and overall payment. It has to be balanced. I'm not calling it a balanced budget. The number has to match 48.21 lakh crore. So whatever is the deficit, government borrows. I have already made a detailed video if you want to know more about it, which is on the Target RBI channel. This is helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.